Good morning. This is Johan Rousseau, the chairman of FIRA. We want to inform the funeral industry and South Africa and the public that 4 health inspectors walked into our members' office this morning. They've awakened a raging bull by the name of Johan Rousseau. And now I'm not talking on behalf of FIRA. They have touched a member of ourselves because we approached them and we told them that they're not acting in the best interest of the funeral industry, and particularly about our member. They are touching things which they will not be able to handle. And we will not tolerate that. We will not allow that. If they approach our member and they are in partnership or in alliance with our member's opposition, they must understand we will take them on head on and we will challenge them legally. Because one, they are not trained in terms of the funeral industry. They are trained in terms of handling polonies and hospitals and restaurants. They do not have a continental idea what's going on within the funeral industry. They may think that they know what's going on with the industry. Because this particular inspectors told us, members, that they have to get a deceased frozen. Now, how on earth can you do that? Then they challenged them about the washing facilities, and our member proved them wrong. They challenged them about the little thing that's on the refrigerator. They challenged them about their wash bays. Now, I can tell you, Mr. Inspector, you have touched something that you cannot handle. Not you, not your MEC, not your colleagues will stop our members from doing business. They've been doing business for almost 30 years. And not you, or your colleagues, or your members, or your friends, which is the opposition, and the pathologists that stay in their residences, which resorts under your department, or the forensic officials, which is referring business to them, or the pathologists that staying on the same yard and the same premises as the funeral parlor, with an infrastructure which is elaborate in town, but behind the scenes, they're working in a dump yard, in a warehouse. The other one is working from a hospital which is being paid by us as taxpayers, and you give them a COC. Please understand that we will not tolerate our members or anyone within the funeral industry to be harassed by 4 people on a lockdown which you do not know what you are doing. Go and get your training done, become an authority instituted by government, trained by government, and then educated by government. If you can't do that, we are prepared to assist you. Because you do not know. The left hand does not know what the right hand is doing. And that goes for you and the MECs and the minister and whoever is in charge. We've approached government on a number of occasions to tell them that we need to address these matters. The government has inherited laws coming from the past. Understand that very clearly. It needs to change because we're facing a mass disaster. People will be dying like flies in this country if we do not act now. So, Mr. Health Inspector, you know who you are because you're watching our social page like a jackal is running behind a rabbit. Understand us. If you do not assist our members in accordance to the law, which you don't know. You think you know the law. Because there's gaps and challenges which you're not even addressing. And we are there to give guidance and support to our members, to the general industry, and to the public, and to assist government. You're coming from a small little town. You think you know